So, hey, hello guys, how you all? Welcome to my brand new video. Today we will make our first project. That name is text to speech. As you can see that I have already made my first means the intro or the area where I will start my coding. Okay, now, a setting I have to show you, that is go to the setting icon, click on settings and click your wheel. Okay, it's important for me because I use the code area in a big form. Okay, like press Ctrl and scroll. Okay, it can increase your size. Okay, it I have to tell you in the last video, but I'm telling it now. Okay, now let's start our coding. I don't say any more word, or I don't going to waste your time. I will directly start my video. Now, at first we need a library. We need pytts3. That is how it work. It will help us that we will write a text, and the library will help us to change it into the speech. Now we have to download that library. Click Windows R and click CMD. Yeah, you can see here as I have already done. Write pip install pytts3. Now enter. It may take a small time, and I have already downloaded it because when I have to make a video, I always use a code, means I always write that code at first and then I will start my video. At first we have to import our library, so write import pytt. Here you can see why I'm using VS Code. Here you can see that the thing which I want, it already says yes brother, here's your thing. Okay, now enter. Now we will using text to speech. Let's define it. Right, def text to speech, text to speech, text. Okay, now enter. And all thing I will write here, this will under this definition. Okay, this is our definition. We will write at first engine. Is it right, correct spelling? Let me check. Engine, yeah. Engine equals to pro pytts dot in it. Okay, bracket. Sorry, why I'm using command, I don't know. Now we have to keep the properties. Okay, let me say here, sorry, is, oh, wait, I'm using English UK, it will be US. Okay, sorry. As set properties, PRTIES, yeah. Now why I'm writing this, it's important to show. And if you use Python from earlier, you know that here we give command, because we always used to give a command. Why I'm repeating this word many times, I don't know. But the thing is, if you are new in coding, in the world of coding, you would see that, yeah, here the person writes set properties, means here will something about this thing, like some properties. What is the thing? Okay, now we will write here engine dot set property, set property, rate, the rate, comma, 150. Now you will ask her what I have done here. What is this? What is this, Roy? What are you doing? What is the rate? Don't think in it. Don't use your mind. Just write it and keep a command. The speed of text, speed of speech, speech. Ah, it's a speech. Yeah, it's the right. Yeah, speech. Okay, what we'll do it engine dot property rate. Here it will say that yeah, my text will be under the speed of 150. You can increase it also, and if you want you can also decrease it. Okay, now next thing we will write engine dot set property, set property. You will ask me, why are you writing this thing twice? We don't understand. Yeah, we have already gave the speed, but not the volume. Rather volume, V-O-L-U-M-E, volume. Because volume is also an important factor in a speech. Now, if let's assume I'm talking in 10 hertz. I think it's a hertz, yeah. I don't know. Now, if I'm saying in less speed, less voice, then you will say, what are you saying? I can't understand anything. Okay, now let me give the voice of 1.0 or not 0, yeah. It will be our volume of speech. Now we have already given the properties. Now is it the final thing that what I want? No. We need the thing that will read our text. Yeah. This is just our properties. Now let us start our second phase. That is speak the text. Okay. Give command speak the text. Okay, what we will do with it, yeah, but the thing is important, like uh, you can use your mother tongue is different, like my mother tongue is Bengali. Many of my friend has Hindi, Nepali, and many have even English. So they can read their own language in written format, like the reading. I'm reading a literature book, like where I am reading the text. Yeah. Now we are making the code where our computer will read the text for me. Now let's make the property also. Now here we will say engine dot say. Okay, engine dot say. What will it say? It will say the text. Okay, it will say our text. Here you can see that text. Okay, now enter. Now just reading our text, no, it will also read and wait for the next command. Okay, so write your engine dot run and wait and bracket. Okay, now here our properties are in. This is our properties. This is our definition of speech to text. Now we will totally get out from this area. Now we will do it for myself. Like I am giving a text, it will say for me. Now let's write the code. if double what's this say, I don't really remember name. um, is it the correct format? I think so. Double equals to um, main. Okay, enter. It will be under this. If name, it will be under this. Okay, now user, who is the user? We are the user text, our text, yeah, equals to input, and then bracket right here, and enter the text which you want to um, want to convert into speech. Okay, now we are right there. Oh, we have written it. Let me minimize this area. Yeah, it looks good. All will under this. Okay, now right here, text to speech bracket user text. Okay, now our code is ready. Let's check it. Now let's check our code. Click on here. Okay, right here, I am Roy, um, programmer. Okay, enter.
Hi, I am Roy, a programmer.
Yeah, it's working. Now you will ask me that Roy, where we get this code after this video. As you know that my website is under programming, means I am working on it, so it's not available in the what that called, not remembering, sorry, in the browser. Okay, if I check it, then let's open my Chrome. Here you can see that I have opened my channel. Okay, here you can see that Vishal in the 25 collab github.io Roy developer. Okay, now click on it. Here you can check, see that 404 error website under constructing, soon it will start. Okay, now, yeah, what I want to say you that this is the problem now, because I'm working on it, because the thing is, here the github.io, here I don't get the .com that you can see in YouTube, like youtube.com or any other where it's private, but I am collaborate with one. So let's check where you get the code for now. New tab, and just give this link. I will share this link in the description. I have already shared it in the, sorry, I have already import it in the GitHub just now. Here you can check all the detail, like if I want to check it in another account, because it's the account where I'm like login. Here you can see mode, last check it. Okay, open it, and boom, here you can see that this project is here. How to download it? Just click on code and download zip. Just click on download zip. You will get the project, and or you just click on it, and here is the code. I have already uploaded. Thank you very much to watch my video, and I will see you in next video.